Imagine a future where information visualizations are embedded into the physical environment using technology like spatial augmented reality. We created a design framework to explore this future. A key part of this is a collection of visionary videos showing exemplar applications. We created these using special effects software to composite simulated visualizations into real environments. These demonstrate what this future might look like and illustrate parameters in our design framework. This video includes examples from a larger collection of visionary videos, indexed in an associated resource included with this paper. Detailed information about specific objects may be relevant to highlight throughout the day. Here, a personal cabinet is enhanced using pictographs. Each icon represents a different object, such as notebooks, and every color represents an object type, such as school supplies. The location represents the drawer in which the items are placed. The visualization is updated as items are added or removed from individual drawers. If someone else enters the room, the cabinet visualization is morphed into abstract lines to preserve privacy. Here, the shape of the peaks represents the different objects. The number of peaks shows the quantity, and the color represents the type, such as office supplies. After the other person leaves the room, the pictographs reappear. After a lunch break, the banister shows information about one's schedule. Each pink bar represents how busy someone is every hour of the day. White bars show how busy the person is on average on that particular day, and only appear if the person is less busy than usual. Red is used to highlight the current hour. Once a lunch goer returns to the office, they can view their schedule. Now, a circular table shows a pie chart of how busy they are that day with different types of tasks, encoded with color. Finally, when they enter their office, they can see a heat map of their schedule along the windowsill. Each line represents different types of work over the course of the day. In a personal office, the location and style of visualizations can convey time-based urgency. When there are 30 minutes before someone's next meeting, a transparent Gantt chart related to a project discussed in the upcoming meeting appears on a nearby wall. Later, when there are 15 minutes before the meeting, the chart moves to a closer wall and becomes less transparent. A voice command can dismiss the visualization until shortly before the meeting.
Remind me later.
Finally, when there are 5 minutes before the meeting, the Gantt chart moves even closer to the meeting attendee. Now it is placed on their desk and is opaque. The meeting attendee notices this and starts packing up their things in preparation for the meeting. In a meeting, information may need to be placed on different surfaces so it can be viewed by multiple people. While a project manager is waiting for a developer to arrive, they can view important information about an ongoing project along the table edge. A timeline showing upcoming deadlines appears. Because this information is being shown to the project manager, the data is filtered to show all upcoming deadlines in a location that is convenient for them to view independently. When the developer arrives, the visualization moves to a larger surface, a flip chart easel, so it can be viewed by both people simultaneously. Now, the timeline's filter is changed to only show deadlines that are relevant to the developer. After the meeting, the developer leaves the room. The timeline moves back to the table edge for the project manager to view once again. Please see the associated resource to view all videos and read the paper to see how the videos relate to our design framework, and for more information about the potential for information visualizations in spatial augmented reality.